so this is the hairstyle I'm wearing today. This is actually the last week I'm going to be wearing this, and I'm going to be changing my hair afterwards. I'm ready for a change, actually, so I can't wait to change it. I don't know what I'm going to do next, but I'll keep you updated on what I'm going to do. The outfit I have on today, I have on this like bronzy type, gold bronze type outfit, and I have this outfit in black as well. I've worn it once before, and the black one I actually purchased for a Alicia Keys inspired look video that I did a long while ago. I'll see can I find it, and I'll post a link in the info box for those who didn't see it. So I decided to wear this today. Today I decided to put it on with green. So the earrings I have on, I actually added the rhinestones on these myself. I can't remember if I did a video on it or not. I don't think I did, but I just added a few rhinestones on them. The necklace that I have on, I purchased, I think, at It's Fashion Metro. I got it mainly because of the color. It was green. I didn't have a green necklace, and I purchased it, and I decided to wear it today. I also have on a green belt, which you will see in pictures at the end of this video. On this hand, I just have this gold, not gold, but it's more like a bronzy type, brownish ring with the rhinestones in it. That I purchased at my local beauty supply store. I can't remember which one, but it was one of my local beauty supply stores. And I also purchased this one as well, this green one. And the green bracelet as well. I purchased at my local beauty supply store. So I decided to wear it today. The shoes and purse that I'm taking today, first off the shoes, well the purse since it's closer. This is the handbag that I'm taking today. And this is one of the MK bags that I purchased. I can't remember where I purchased it from. I don't know if I got it from the MK store. I think I got it from the MK store. I might have got it offline. I don't remember. But this is one that I purchased. I got it mainly because the color was kind of odd. It was green. I'm not really a green person, but I thought the handbag was, the color of it was kind of odd. So I decided to get it and take it today. And the shoes that I'm wearing today are these. These are some Christian Louboutin. That's what they have on them. I don't know if they're authentic. It might be one of the lower, cheaper versions of their shoes. I don't know. But anyway, I was asked to do a review on these a while ago. It was for a company, and they sent them a long time ago. I don't even remember the company's name. But these are the shoes I decided to wear today. And I've worn them a couple of times already. They have a red bottom, of course. And the rhinestones on these I did not do. They came on the shoes. They're not really a good quality rhinestones. I'm pretty sure these are resin rhinestones. They don't really have a lot of sparkle to them. And not only that, some of them are popping off the shoe. Yeah, so I don't know. But anyway, I don't really care because I didn't pay anything for the shoes. I didn't pay anything for the shoes. So anyway, this is what's on the inside, as you can see. And I'm pretty sure these are probably, like I said, one of their low-end, cheaper version shoes, probably. So yeah, so I decided to wear them today since they were green. So yeah, so that is basically it. If I sound out of breath, I am. I just ran all the way in here, so anyway, it's a long story. I'm running behind this morning also, so I'm going to cut this video as short as possible. So that is basically it for everything. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later, YouTube. Till then, take care.